What's up, guys? Over here at Velocity Powder Coating. I just picked up my intake manifold from Billy. He just finished porting it out for me. He poured it out, the adapter plate for me and stuff. Right now I'm taking it apart so I can get it in the sandblaster, so I can go ahead and Cerakote the intake manifold. My header is done, my intake arm is done, and my fuel rail is done. Kind of picked up the GoPro late, but hopefully when I get off work tomorrow I can install everything so we can be ready for Saturday. Today's Thursday, so let me go ahead and get taking this apart, and then I'll throw it in the sandblaster. So right now I'm working on these Boston wheels, just got to get them sandblasted. And I got my intake manifold masked up, ready to get blasted. I have to do this list first, but I'm almost done with that, and then I'll go ahead and blast my manifold so Chris can go ahead and Cerakote it. Those two, yeah. I
have never had anybody that's helped me that can blast as fast as I could.
This is Chris. He owns Velocity Powder Coating.
No, man.
We just got a shipment in from Sheepy. Got to knock all this stuff out. I was supposed to be working on that list that I mentioned earlier, but they got to build a twin turbo exotic before Saturday, so got to knock that stuff out. So I got my intake manifold in there. I blasted the parts that are going to get Cerakoted right now, and Chris just told me go ahead and knock out my manifold. I was going to wait till I finished the list, but he said to do it now since he's going to Cerakote those. So let's see what it looks like when it's all sandblasted. It almost looks like a primer color once it's done blasting, but here we go. Show you guys what it looks like after it's Cerakoted. Getting ready to powder coat turbos. It's all stuff for Sheepy, last minute stuff. Waiting for the media to fill up. Just gotta finish up these wheels. Chris is getting ready to Cerakote my intake manifold. Oh man, this is gonna look so good. Can't wait to put it all back together. So these are fresh out of the oven. They're nice wrinkled black. Crazy. All this stuff needed to be done overnight for that twin turbo build for Sheepy. Hi, welcome to Chili's. You guys seen that Vine? That Vine's so hilarious. Little dude who goes, "Hi, welcome to Chili's." That's so funny. Anyways, we're all done here for today. I think it's 8 o'clock or about to be 8 o'clock. 7:55. So got my manifold done in the Cerakote. Super stoked about that. But it's time to get out of here. I'm tired. I worked my regular job. That's 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and then I went straight here, and now it's 8 o'clock. Let's go home. Tomorrow's gonna be busy. I'm going to be putting my car back together. So I'm gonna come here after work, pick up my manifold, go home, install everything, get my car running, and then I still gotta wash it. So I think it should be easy since I got the ceramic coating done. But yeah, let's I'll pick this vlog up tomorrow. Peace. Say hi to my new puppy. This is Nala. Shut up, boy. What's up, Ruckus? That's your toy? Oh, so you're such a jealous boy. Get out of here. Come here, Nala. Hi, Nala. Okay, so first things first, let's get my header out. I have to be careful with that. This thing, this header came out beautiful. Oh my god. All the way down to the V-band at the end. Wow. Can't wait to see what it's gonna look like all together. Man, look at that sunset. Dude, this is so cool. But anyways, I had some issues getting the header on. I think I did unfortunately nick it. Very, very small. You can't really see it. Before I start the car, I do need to wipe down the header. But the header is on finally. It took me longer than expected. So now I'm just gonna work on getting the intake manifold installed. So it sucks. It's because I don't have my canopy anymore, because it kept falling on the car. I don't have lights anymore, so I just kind of ran an extension cord, and it'll be fine because I just need to work on the intake side now, so it kind of works out. And that's what the intake manifold looks like all dry. I know it kind of sucks because it's dark, but I'll get you guys a good view tomorrow when the sun is out. But after you guys get stuff powder coated and stuff, you know, for like intake manifolds, valve covers, anything like that, make sure you guys blow it out really good with like a really nice air compressor. Just from the media blasting, there could be stuff that, you know, didn't come off. So right now I just blew everything out, all the runners and stuff. Also, huge shout out to Billy porting out the manifold. It's all nice and smooth. I'm hoping I see some power gains from having him port out the runners and port matching the throttle body and getting as much as he can. I didn't want to cut it this time because I didn't really have enough time, but I'm definitely going to port it out in the near future, and then I'll just redo the Cerakote on the intake manifold, or maybe I'll powder coat it a different color. But yeah, let me go ahead and get this thing on. So I have the intake manifold on by 2 bolts. I couldn't film it because the GoPro keeps falling from here, from the suction cup. Yeah, so I just kind of did it without filming it. But it's just 2 bolts on button now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the rest of these bolts right here. Sorry about the poor lighting. This really sucks, but I got to get the car running tonight for tomorrow and Sunday. So I went ahead and I just I'm using a flashlight on my head pretty much, but I got the fuel rail installed. I need to just connect his vacuum hose. This one goes there, and I need to find where the other one went. Somewhere around here, but pretty much the intake manifold is on, so is the fuel rail. I just have to install the throttle body plate, the throttle body, intake arm, and wipe it all down and get it started. big difference. I really wish I had a spare valve cover so I could have got that done, but unfortunately it wasn't done on time. What I'm doing to the other one is these dash 10 bungs, I'm having them come out through the front of the valve cover so I can go ahead and get a catch can that fits here. I used to have a catch can that sits where the battery's at, but because I started racing at the track, I needed the battery in the original location. Otherwise I need to do a battery box and a cutoff switch, and I wasn't trying to do all that. But wow, what a big difference. I need to get the car fired up, see if I numbered the injectors 1 through 4, but it looks like the marker kind of rubbed off, so I'm hoping it's still in the right firing order. If not, it's gonna suck, and I'm gonna have to figure out which is which. So I got scared. I saw a bunch of smoke, but I'm pretty sure it's just from the coating on the header. I don't know if you guys can see it, but car's running now. I don't see any leaks, so might take it out for a test drive. But so far so good. So I got my car running. I gotta wake up early tomorrow morning and wash the car, clean the engine bay up, head down to my friend Dan's house, head down to Anaheim and meet up with Eric and Dre, and then we'll go to the Total Tires meet. But that's it for today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and again, I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me lately. It means a lot. Yeah, thank you guys. Catch you guys tomorrow's vlog. Peace.